Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do professional photo editing in Affinity Photo in 2026. So if you want clean edits, cinematic colors, and high-quality results, yeah, this beginner to pro guide will help you step by step. First, open Affinity Photo official website or launch the app on your PC. Once it opens, click File and then Open to import your photo. Next, start by cleaning your image using the Healing Brush tool or Clone tool. So remove dust, spots, or unwanted objects for a clean base. Now fix the lighting using exposure, brightness, contrast, and shadows. I mean, proper lighting is the foundation of professional editing. So yeah, use curves, color balance, and LUTs to create cinematic tones. Warm tones feel cinematic, while cool tones feel dramatic and modern. Next, sharpen details carefully and enhance textures. Don't over-sharpen or the image will look unnatural. Finally, do a final check, fix small issues, and click File then Export. So save your image as JPG or PNG in high quality. And that's how to do professional photo editing in Affinity Photo in 2026. Once you master lighting, color grading, and retouching, your edits will look truly professional. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more photo editing tutorials.